So, all right, guys, I think recently, maybe 2 days ago or last week, let me say last week, Facebook has reviewed their content monetization policy and they have begun to invite or enroll more monetization features out there, which is what I'm going to be explaining to you. If you are new here, we talked about monetization, how you can make money online. Okay, just like last week, I was going through my Facebook Suits app because this is where I post videos. I also upload different content, right? So I now see that I have one under this alert here. I see that I have one unresolved issues. I now click on it. I now get to see it tells me to update my tax info to start earning. It said to start earning, get paid, you need to update your tax info for Samuel Joshua's payout account. I was like, wow, is this guy calling me back to come and update my profile to start earning from there? Because there was a time I've already submitted a review for this guy to monetize my account, but I get to discover that the review was rejected. So I think they've reviewed it now, and this is a form of them inviting me back for monetization, right? Before I come back here, let's go back to my page. This is my page. This is my Facebook page, and if I'm to go to under this monetize session here, I've already clicked the monetization. You know, we have three here. We have content monetization, which is what's eligible you to start making money on Facebook. If I'm to click on it, I've already submitted an interest form. So you can see it says interest form submitted. Thank you for sharing your interest in this program. You will be notified if you become eligible. Now, this is my second time of submitting. The first time I submitted, I've recorded the video on how you can the criteria, how you can meet the criteria. Then how you can also submit a monetization request form. I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial, so you can go and watch it before coming back to this, so you can understand the background of how everything works. So now I wish I could just record the video on how I submit it, but I think I was so very glad when I saw the request, so I have to just quickly fill in the form and submit it. So it says under here, this is my content watch list, the average reels watch hour. This is it here. So you can see similar monetization, and they said I can always update my form here. So if I'm to click on update form, you will see here, this is what I submitted basically. So you select the categories. This is the categories of what you are doing. You select it here, then you click on done. Then under here, your preferred format that you use in making your content. So I record reels, videos, text, and story. Then this is why you are interested in this program. They tell you to just explain to them, then you want to click on submit. So it's going to take you here. So this is how you can this is a way of inviting you to come and earn from Facebook. And under stars here, if I'm to click on stars here, you will see that I'm also eligible, but I have not yet I have not yet reached the criteria. So I'm to click on it now. I've reached 3 out of, you can see now I'm up to 500 followers, then 30 consecutive days, and I'm even eligible in Nigeria, because my country in Nigeria is also part of the eligible listed countries. If you see it here, if I'm to scroll down, you will see that Nigeria is part of the, they've removed Nigeria. Okay, I see. That is why we are not although people from Nigeria are also making money from these guys. So I don't know how they do it, but I think for maybe under these reels and under these stars, maybe Nigeria is not part of them. But this content monetization and subscription, we can definitely make money from that. So this is how you can, this is a way of calling us back that we can now start making money from this guy. If I'm to go to my profile here and takes you through my reels, you will see that I've walked a long way. You can see these are my reels, these are videos. you can start with just little videos, 5-minute videos, recording yourself and putting it to the camera directly. Can you see it? Can you see it? So you can definitely do that as well. So now let's go back to this and update my tax info. Maybe that was what is delaying my invitation, I don't know. So but hopefully I get it updated and I can start making money from Facebook just like YouTube, because I currently manage 2 YouTube channels, and boom, I am earning from YouTube, but I wanted to monetize this guy. So I'm going to find a way, maybe on my PC, to see a way I can use to resolve this tax info. I'm going to do that because I'm presently earning from YouTube. This is my YouTube studio here, and you can see, if I'm to come to my earnings here, you will see that my present payout is $97, and this is my June earnings, 73, right? So, and here, channel Craft Ideas, and if I'm to come to earnings here, you will also see that I am now eligible. I'm not yet eligible. I only need 6 more minutes to get eligible on this channel. So I'm going to walk around with this. Hopefully I hear a good news from these guys, then I can also start making money from them or with them. So that's how you can see it here. We have the first one, content monetization on invitation only. Once they accept my invitation, now I can start making money directly from this. Then the second one is the stars and the subscriptions. Okay, so if you have any videos, if you have any questions, you can drop it under the comment section of this video. Okay, I'll definitely come back to attend to every one of it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.